Okay, we're at a lake in Ohio that I drove to. It's 3:05 to start of the video. Go.
I relocated. Huh? I relocated. She screwed my husband. I never.
Oh my God.
My husband screwed you. Huh? My husband screwed you.
Never. And that's never. Hey, you stayed. That's yes, but it never.
You went to a concert. Yeah, you see that?
Oh wow. Oh, it's getting really dark.
On my fucking dime.
I definitely do something. And in the end, both of them will get gone, you know.
Oh, it's so dark. Oh my God.
So what was that all about? That was a horrific way that they didn't take it down. Well, way to go.
It's starting to get darker.
I have the video camera set on a tripod.
We're bringing comfy chairs and everything now.
Oh, we got one.
Oh, man.
Kid, it's for you as long as it's...
That's all right.
One, and it's for me.
Style.
Ice cold chili.
Got the star directions.
In the most villainous way. It's wild.
Whoa, I was that little already.
Oh my God. Yeah, I thought I'd set the camera up down there in the muck and just let it roll.
So,
But how
you
is
know,
that?
Yeah. Wrong decision.
Yeah.
it's going up in price, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's so dark.
We got a price.
I could hear, there were animals in the bushes over there getting restless in the grass. Yeah, yeah. It sounded like frogs were...
Oh yeah, it'll get even more wild soon.
Dude, this is so freaky.
A dim sun. The sun is dim.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Ah, there's the pole.
And I'm a sliver of a quarter of a half of something.
There's a, I got the
Oh, that's, I like
Would
that.
y'all like some cookies?
Please.
I brought star cookies.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Or you can give it to me. Yeah.
We did the same thing. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. I know where you are. Oakmont, Ligonier.
Ligionier's a little ways up. Oh,
Right.
God,
A
it's
little ways away, but still.
Please enjoy.
For your viewing.
They're very good. It's so good. It's so good.
Oh, so good.
I really like those. It's like 18 of them.
When they came out with the original GE mixer, they gave pieces of them.
Whoa, got smaller.
Yeah, the temperature's getting all weird. Like it's getting really cold when they're on clouds over us. Whoa. Oh my God.
It's gonna be like a total blackout.
Yeah, it's gonna be really freaky.
Oh, it's already really. Whoa, it's so dark. Whoa.
Bring back memories.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like lemonade.
Wow, the trees look like wrong because they're casting shadows. It's so weird.
Yeah.
Has a very different shadow, but it's like, oh no, it's creepy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Should I keep up?
Y'all got up here just in time for it though. Holy moly.
Oh, it's like so dark. That's like,
Started out early this morning. Here we are.
It's getting darker. Look how much
It's almost total.
Oh man.
3:11. It said 3:15. There we go.
Almost total.
You can
Uh-uh.
hear all of the nighttime wildlife. Chicken and teeth right there.
yeah.
Chicken and teeth going all crazy like yourself.
And then it'll be really quiet.
Oh, this is my first time actually getting to proper see one of these.
Yo, the gnats literally all just came out at the same time.
Like, I've been somewhere where totality was happening, but I was on a train at the time, so I never actually got to see the sun part.
So an interesting point here is the ecliptic is running from southwest up here, so we're going to see a bunch of planets in a big line right along with the sun.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because they're all in the same plane, so look for Mercury, Venus, Mars should all be visible, Jupiter for sure, maybe Saturn.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but they're all going to be in a line because the ecliptic is just a plane and all that.
And it's running this way, if I remember.
It should be coming up the horizon.
Uh-huh.
It's a little south of like dead center, but they're mostly going to be, yo, the like wind on the lake changed.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Just
Oh,
everything just
yeah.
changed.
Yeah, the wind on the lake changed.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we're not getting adiabatic heating anymore because it's so cold. So, whoa, what? Oh my god, are you kidding me? I didn't even think of that. Oh,
What?
oh my god. Oh, sorry. Because the sun's not heating the water, we're not getting the same evaporative winds. It's about to pop. Oh, it's about to pop. We're like seconds away. Holy crap. The geese are moving. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm losing my cool rapidly.
I am losing my mind here.
Hey girl, I'm gonna leave this.
My eyes have no idea how to focus on this sliver. Oh, wow.
Focus, Gabs.
Oh, you can see the clouds are getting shadowed over there.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
Where?
Over yonder. Because the eclipse is coming from that way.
How dark it's
Oh.
Yeah, it's like dark over there. Oh my god.
Isn't that cool?
Oh shit.
Oh, that's shadow happening.
Yeah, the clouds are in shadow now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Almost there.
Look over there. Like, you can see the shadow. You can see the light still over there and not there.
Holy shit. Okay, planet right there.
Where?
Right south.
There.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Are you serious right now?
Oh my god.
Oh my.
I'm gonna lose my
Planet,
fucking
planet,
mind.
planet.
Oh, there it is. There it goes. Oh, there she goes.
Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my god.
Oh! Holy shit, you can see the corona! Yes, oh my god!
Glasses off, Chris.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! You can see the damn
Planet up
corona!
there.
Yep, planets should be, I want to say Venus, Mars. There's a plane, which is very funny.
Oh my god.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa! Check that out.
Oh my god, the fact that you can see the corona.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
there's a flare happening! Oh my god, there's a flare on the bottom part of the sun. Look at that.
Oh
Whoa.
my god.
Oh shit, we caught it in the middle of a sunspot flare? No.
Oh my freaking god. How amazing is this?
Yeah.
That spot here?
Oh, the corona is so
Oh
beautiful.
my god.
Oh my god.
It's a planet.
Holy.
Isn't it the planets are aligning?
Yep.
Well, the planets are always on a line. You just usually can't see all of them during the daytime.
Okay, Venus.
What
I can
planet
see
is that?
both. Hello, there's Jupiter. Oh my. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everyone. Sorry.
Oh my God. Oh my.
See it getting a little off center.
I am losing my mind right now. How are
Yeah, I
people
can't even see
not
it.
losing their minds right now?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
There's Mercury, there's Venus.
Yeah, there's crickets.
Yeah, you can see the light already coming up on the other side.